Hello, friends. Welcome back in my YouTube channel, Learn English Language with Sarjaro Patel. Today, we are going to discuss activity number 10 of Bridge course. Last time, we have discussed activity number 9. Now, look at the next activity, learning outcomes or competency statements. Write an essay on the given topics. Instruction for teachers and parents and or facilitators. Explain the process and steps of essay writing. Here we are going to learn the process of essay writing, and for this purpose some instructions for you. Instructions for students. Read the instructions carefully and do the activities. Second activity, read the questions and answer them. Write all answers in a single paragraph. Means it is a very important to read instructions carefully and do the activities. Means read the questions and answer them and write all the answers in a single paragraph. We will take one example. Now look at the learning activity. There are seven questions given there, and you have to answer and write the answer in a single paragraph. First question is, do you like to play or watch the games? Which games do you like to play? Third questions, what are some of our local games? Who is your favorite sports person? Question number 5, what games are played in the Olympics? Question number 6, what is the theme of all above questions? And question number 7, write all the answers in one paragraph and read it. Means this is the instruction. Means you have to read six questions and answer all the questions in a one paragraph. Now look at the solve activity. Means we have to answer all these questions in a single paragraph. Here we have solved it. I like to play cricket, but I like to watch football. I like to play kho and kabaddi too. Marbles, skipping, hopscotch, gilli danda, lagori, hide and seek are our local games. My favorite sports person is Virat Kohli. Weightlifting, shooting, hockey, running, jumping, basketball, tennis, wrestling games are played in the Olympics. Means here we have completed this activity. We write all the answers in a single paragraph. In this way, we complete this activity and write an essay. Now look at the practice activity. Here, one more activity is given for you. You have to solve in your notebook. Read the following questions and write answers in together as a single paragraph. Suggest a suitable title to your writing. Question number first, do you like to listen music or songs? Second, what types of songs do you listen or sing? Third, who is your favorite singer? Fourth, do you practice daily? Question number 5, when do you sing? Question number 6. Do practice or rehearsal singing under the guidance of a guru or teacher? 7. What is the difference between folk music and classical music? Means here you have to read all the questions and write all the answers in a single paragraph. Means you can write an essay on this topic with the help of these questions. Okay. Now one more extension activity is given there, parallel activity or reinforcement. Read the following questions and write answers in together as a single paragraph. Suggest a suitable title to your writing. First question is, do you like animals? Second, which animals do you like, wild or tame or domestic? Third, where do you find all animals? Fourth, do animals speak? Question number 5, how do you understand that they are not feeling well? And last question is, who gives treatment or medicine to the sick animals and birds? So I request you read these questions and answer, write the answers in together as a single paragraph and suggest a suitable title. Here in evaluation, you have to write an essay on festivals. Write an essay on festivals. Use the following questions. Do you like to celebrate festivals? Second, why do you enjoy fairs or festivals? Third, what are the different festivals in our state? Fourth, is there correlation between festivals and seasons? Give examples. Question number 5, do you know festivals which are celebrated in other states? And question number 6, which is your favorite festivals? Why? So you complete this activity and write an essay on festivals in your notebook with the help of these questions. I think all of you understood how to write an essay with the help of these questions. So once again, I request you, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.